Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term vanilla. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, vanilla is slang for something plain, ordinary, or conventional without special features. People use it when describing tastes, styles, or preferences that are basic or unadventurous. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Vanilla first showed up in the late 20th century as a way to describe plainness, drawing from the simple vanilla flavor. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and internet communities. Now let's check out how to use vanilla in a sentence. Correct example 1. Her taste in movies is pretty vanilla, mostly romantic comedies and nothing too adventurous. Correct example 2. I don't want any spicy food tonight. Let's keep it vanilla. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said vanilla at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using vanilla right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Vanilla means something plain or ordinary without special features. It started in the late 20th century as slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with vanilla in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.